The Lost Kitten. The Lost Kitten. One sunny morning, Maya walked to the park. She loved the park because it was quiet and green. She sat on a bench and opened her book. Suddenly, she heard a small meow. Maya looked around. Under the bench, she saw a tiny black kitten. It looked scared and hungry. Maya gently picked up the kitten. "Where is your home?" she asked. The kitten didn't answer, of course. Maya decided to help. She walked around the park and asked people, "Is this your kitten?" But no one knew. Maya took the kitten home. She gave it milk and soft blanket. The kitten purred happily. Maya named it Shadow because it was black like a shadow. The next day, Maya made posters with a picture of Shadow. She put them around the park. A few days later, a little boy named Sam saw the poster. He ran to Maya's house. "That's my kitten Luna," Sam said. She looked so happy. Maya was sad to say goodbye, but she knew Luna belonged with them. Sam thanked Maya and gave her a big hug. Maya smiled. She was glad she helped Luna find her home. From that day, Maya and Sam became friends, and they often played with Luna in the park together. The end. Goodbye.